All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. Yeah, beautiful move there on gold. I just got the gold buys there. Really nice move. Really, really nice move. Let's have a look. A very nice push there. Very, very nice push. What's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Let me get everyone in here. Pretty decent push there on gold. Very, very decent push. We still pushing by the looks of it on gold. Come on, man. Come on, everyone. Closed early to secure. Well, if you have targets, man, you just got to hold to the targets. If you're closing too early, just literally just have your targets and hold to the targets. Don't trade the P&L, just trade the charts, man. I've locked this in because he came into this high and a pretty decent level of resistance. Here, look. Which you've now just broken back above again, holding it and having a little bit of a dip high here on gold. Push high here, I should say. Got to focus on. You got to work on the emotions. If you're doing it every time, it's, yeah, you're probably trading the P&L, not the charts, man. But this 30-minute was pretty simple on gold. You grab lows, held support, push higher. Yeah, it was a very simple trade. That you just jumped back on the charts, just saw this grab in the lows, closing back above, and just took it. Super simple trade. Very, very simple. And this is a great time to trade gold as well. So I'll just say to the guys in Discord, you get plenty of trades around this time on gold. Obviously, London doesn't open until 8. You get plenty of trades before that. Plenty of trades. Came down, grabbed lows, broke back above this nice support, held it here. You bought it from here to here. 64 ticks in 5, 10, 15 minutes. Just trading a liquidity grab and a breakout. Now the 4 hour is also grabbing 4 hour lows as well. Probably going to be coming all the way up for these highs. Waiting for 30 close. Yeah, I was going to. But to be honest, I was like, as the 15s just pushing up with decent volume, I was like, I'm just going to take it. As it's pushing, I just took it. Stop loss was going to be if we broke down below here. So I was like, risk to reward wise, it's worth it. That's also a reason why I did get out as well, is because there was no bottom wick on this 30. I was like, we could grab these highs and pull back and continue to range. But you know, as soon as you started grabbing the lows in this 30, start flipping bullish, I was like, this is good to start. Good to start taking it, because we have these 4-hour highs that we mentioned in Asia. That I won't be buying gold until the London session. Closed aggressively bullish. We spoke about this 4-hour high. You closed a bit doji, came down, grabbed the lows, also the flip of the 4-hour as well, and pushed nicely. So if we're not already in here, well, you need to see it pull back and just do the exact same thing. The exact same setup. Nothing changes. Anyone who's wondering, well, how do we get in it now? Just literally the exact same thing we just did. Exactly the same. I got out a little bit earlier than I would have liked to, but no bottom wick on the 30. I didn't want to keep open. Maybe if the 15 can bottom wick and grab some lows, it's the only real re-entry potential. Let's see. Yeah, 5 minutes still creeping high. So unless you can, you know, pull back, grab some lows, great. You could see if you get some re-entries. Crazy how much gold is just completely retraced, like how much of this move from yesterday. Where was it? How much? Oh, over 50% of yesterday's move completely retraced, which is, yeah, huge. Absolutely huge. We are back at this 30 resistance as well, so may take next 30 bottom wick. How did NQ do? Is NQ still moving lower? Still ranging a little bit? You do still have, what, from around here, you do still have about 55 ticks up into these highs. But it's more so now just trying to find a risk reward that would make sense. You'd have to come down, grab some lows again, and see if you get another breakout. A nice continuation plate. Because if you start buying it from here, you know, there's no, even a stop below the previous 30 is not valid because there's no bottom wick on it. So I think if you're gonna get a re-entry here on gold, safest bet is probably gonna be waiting for the 30 close and then push up. I'd use the view app. I don't really use it, to be honest. I just have it drawn on there. But I'm sure there's plenty of YouTube videos that explain how to use it, man. It's just shows you the volume weighted average price. That's all it is. But I don't really use it too much. I don't take trades based off it. Liquidity concepts, no idea, man. Give it a test, find out. Test it and find out. Got 20 ticks off the initial move. Wait for the 30 flip. Entered off the 5-minute test support. Yeah, nice. Good job, Scott. Pretty much the same as me, man. 30 flip. 5-minute breaking out. Pretty much the same as me, man. Good trade. Very nice trade. 20 ticks on post FOMC day is good, man. Don't be afraid just to lock it in. Be like, cool, that's the trade for the day. But it was a very valid trade. Very valid trade. Grab lows. You don't start buying from down here. You wait for it to actually close above. Once it closes above, cool. Boom. Gold should go to 26.29, maybe. Who knows, man? It's ages away. Don't think that far ahead. That's over 160 ticks away. Who knows? Trade what you see, man. Trade what you see. Could it come back up and... I mean, where you're at right now is more of a... We're at major 4-hour resistance. I'm more interested in worrying about what's happening here as opposed to what could happen up here. Try not to think too much about what could happen. What's happening right now? Where are we at right now? You know, if we break above this, then great. Yeah, you know, you could look for a retracement later on into there, but I don't really think. I try not to think that far ahead. I wanna trade what's in front of me. What are the charts doing right now? So this is a you know, if you want re-entries on gold, if you're not in already, if you want re-entries on gold, well, be careful buying here because you're buying gold at 4-hour resistance. As soon as you start coming up into here, you're at 4-hour resistance. Which is a big level. Big level. All of this here, everywhere you're coming into right now, all of this. Delete everything for a second. Look at this. All of this. Huge, big 4-hour resistance. Massive level. Massive level. You're also grabbing previous 4-hour highs as well. We got 8 minutes till this Audi's going to close as well. Grabbing the lows, looking like we're going to close bullish. So you may see something in, you know, next hour maybe come down, and then potentially reflip. Yeah, around that, man. Yep. Anywhere from like around 26.16 to 26.20. Yeah, it's a solid level, man, for sure. Absolutely. Yeah, Asia push has been huge. There's a absolutely insane pullback. Like from where we bottomed out at FOMC, it's like a 300 tick pullback, which is nuts. 300 tick pullback's insane. Absolutely insane. You've almost Almost retraced the entire FOMC position. Yeah, look at the weekly. We asked for that major weekly support, major weekly resistance, so a lot of profit taken down here. Thoughts on the sells, potentially, man? Not yet, though. If you're going to get sells on gold, it'll probably be if you close maybe back below here. Close back below here, and you could get some very big sells. You kind of just see, you just had this nice little intraday 100 tick push up. So would you want to be trading against that just yet? Not really. But overall today, could you break back below and start having another leg down? Yeah, possible. 2600 is not too far away. I wouldn't be selling it just yet. If anything, as soon as you get into this key resistance, you're gonna accumulate in range again. Yeah, literally insane. Even the drop yesterday is like 500 ticks, which is huge. It's back. Made 5k during this week. I'm 100k. And imagine I completely forgot news rule. Oh no. Gutted, man. That's tough. Yeah, it's honestly one of the first things I do every day is check the news. Always got to see what's coming out for the day. I mean, with FOMC, you should know that by Sunday, though. Yeah, it's one thing I'll do every single day. Every single morning, I'll come on and see what news there is for the day. Even on Sunday, I'll go on the calendar on a Sunday and see all the high impact US dollar news for the week. And then just be wary of trading during them times. But it's easy done, man. Easy done. Done 200. Nice, man. Nice. That's good, man. BTC in a range. Yeah, Bitcoin had a nice little pullback as well. Had a very nice little dip back lower on Bitcoin. Really nice push lower. Still though, already being bought up again at 100k, which is pretty huge. Let's get rid of some of these levels. Where's next? 100. Still at some pretty big levels. How's copper looking this morning? Decent push down, grabbing some lows. Pretty messy though. Copper's looking pretty messy as well. One minute to this hourly close on gold. Let's see. What's Tilt saying? 57% people long on gold on top step, 43% people short, which it was very bullish before. People taking profits around these highs. How long to this 4-hour close? It's 3 hours away. That 4 hour was very nice. He came down, grabbed the lows, or where's next after that? The highs. Buy below the 4 hour lows. You know, it's a 80 tick pullback already. Your intraday resistance being formed here as well now. And if we do start creating a range here, the only way we'll trade a range is either at the highs or the lows. To see, hourly has closed. Let's have a look. Still pretty strong there on gold. You ripped the lows, closed aggressively bullish. Coming down for a bottom wick. It would have to come down pretty steep to make it worth it though. What do you have up into these highs? Yeah, 16. Yeah, it'd have to create a pretty steep bottom wick. We just had Nathan in Discord. I don't know if you hear Nathan with his 5K payout from Top Step, which is huge. Getting a 5K payout was absolutely amazing from Top Step. 5K payout right before Christmas, which is amazing. Absolutely amazing. You could consider some buys on gold, maybe back down here. Could Nightbot with the spam. Go on, Nightbot. From down here up into these highs, 30. All right. If you can get a good stop. You're also grabbing 15 lows at the minute as well. Oh, sorry. There we go. There we go. Yeah, no, I was just saying. I'm not too sure what that is, man. I don't get involved in that world too much. Probably some sort of meme coin, I assume. I was saying you could, consider this 15 flip here, but you buy it, you're buying straight into resistance, so it's not worth it. The risk reward's terrible.
Did you take that, Aaron?
Sorry, man.
Did you take that trade on the screen?
I took these ones about 6:15, man.
Oh, okay, so just before.
Yeah, just before, man. Yeah, once you grabbed the lows and broke out, I got it from about here. Took it up into these highs for about 25-ish.
Nice, that's very nice.
Yeah, it's a good little. Been seeing some great trades around 6 a.m. till 6:30 London time recently. Five-minute chopping a little bit here on gold. Trying to squeeze back higher though. Hourly starting to trying to flip bullish as well. There's that Audi trying to get 15-minute trying to get back up here. Like I say though, it's not really worth it because you're buying at resistance. It doesn't really make too much sense. Excuse me. Need to see more volume in the gold list to want to watch this for much longer. I'm not really doing anything here. We've got a nice little push up. Not much is really happening. Look at this 5 minutes just chopping. No real volume here on gold. Come on, Goldie, do something. Even if we push down, do something. Nah, I don't use order flow, man. Just trying to catch a W. I took this one about 6:25, man, just before we jumped on. Once you grab the low, start breaking out. Since then, we haven't really done anything. Can you say thank you, man? There's the possibility for this current 15 flip, but to me, it's too risky. You're buying, as soon as you tap into these highs, you're managing it already. It's if I'm going to rebuy gold, it would have to pull back to make it worth it. So 15 grabbing the lows, trying to get back up. Insane recovery here today on gold. Absolutely insane recovery after yesterday. There's that 15 pushing higher here. Seventeen ticks. This is why if you did take this 15 flip, came down, grab the lows, second you hit this level, you'd have to manage your trade because you could easily just hit this resistance and continue to chop. Let me just close this door, guys. 2 seconds. It's disappeared. But no, I don't believe Mark's streaming tomorrow, man. I don't think he's trading at all for the rest of the year. Yeah, the spider's disappeared. I don't know where it's gone. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it's yeah, it's disappeared. I think it's a good thing. If you're on stream. Yeah, all good, man. See you there, man. Enjoy. Come on, goal. Where's the volume gone? Where's the volume? Next 15 and 30 need to show me something to watch to want to keep watching this here. We're not really doing anything. I do still think you're going to squeeze into these highs, but I'm not going to be buying it around here again. Let's see if the 15 can get back above. Feels like Friday today, but it's not. It's still got all day tomorrow as well. All day tomorrow. Nah, not yet, man, not yet. You had this 15 flip, but it's just not worth it for me. You know, you grab the lows, reflip and bullish. But 12 ticks, I'm not too interested in trying to scalp 10 ticks, but it was a valid trade. Other than that, it's going to get pretty tough up here. The only way I'll buy gold is if you have a much deeper pullback. Otherwise, as soon as you start grabbing these highs, you got to be open to ranging. You know, you're still at that major resistance as well. You're grabbing previous hourly highs here as well. At hourly resistance. So instant bomb wick on this 15 here on gold. Yeah, what would that look like? You know, you're managing at these highs max. So you got to remember, you know, we have had this huge push down, so we're buying at a strong area where this could easily just also roll over. That's why it gets pretty tricky in here. Look where we are. Look at this. Look at where this dotted line is right now. What are we around? Major resistance. Huge. Look at that. Huge level. Breaking the highs here again. I'm about to lock in 43 today on gold. Nice, amazing, man. Well done. After a day like yesterday, that's fantastic, man. Amazing work. After yesterday, that's amazing gains. 30, look at that. We'll see soon. I'm going to watch this too much longer, guys. And there's going to be no setups for at least the next, 1 to 2 hours here on gold. I'm just going to literally watch this for the sake of it. The buys were down here, and there's no buys up here. There's no buys up here, and there's no sells up here yet. If you're going to get the sells on gold, it's going to be once you grab the highs and break out. And for buys, well, you're not going to be buying at resistance, are you? So the only way you'll take buys is if you come down for a stronger retracement to get a good risk to reward. So we'll see this 30 close in 10 minutes, but I'm not going to watch London for much longer. Get a nice little push here. We did that exact continuation play that I said on yesterday's video. Came down, grabbed the lows, rebroke out, and you're pushing. Coming right for these 4-hour highs. Look at that. I wish I was still in that, that's for sure. Thanks, bro. Yeah, absolutely, man. 43 ticks on a day like today is amazing. Amazing. You'd have had a lot of people trying to short here on gold. Where's their stops? Right above this high. So people getting squeezed out here on gold. Top step though, 71% people still long, which is good. We're gonna push right through these highs. Look at that 40. 15 flip was nicer than my trade down here. Bigger, not nicer, but bigger. Very nice move. Wish I stayed in. Yeah, me too. Me too. I was in the buys from down here. Would be up like 70. Now the volume's good. Honestly, the volume's great. You just need to be in at the good points. Like you need to be in at the lows down here. You know, that's 80 ticks. Like that's huge. Asia's had a crazy amount of volume as well. 300 ticks. From highs to lows, 130 pre-London. Like the volume is amazing. There's huge volume, but you need to be in. You know, you don't want to be buying gold at 4-hour resistance. You want to be buying at the 4-hour support. So you buy at the lows, sell at the highs. You know, a lot of people would try to buy here on gold because they got fear of missing out, and they'll look back and be like, "Well, I was buying gold right at 4-hour resistance." You buy gold as it's grabbing the 4-hour lows because you've got clear targets and a strong fake out. And anything other than that, you got to be super patient. Very, very patient. Got in long at 26.27. Let me see, man. 26.27. Is that on the futures? Yeah, on the futures. Yeah, nice. 5 minute. Let's grab the highs. Yeah, good man. Got a little late to join the stream, so good man. Made 300 yesterday. Nice work, man. That's huge. Huge, huge, huge. Oh, we got, yeah, 5 minutes, yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to leave this here. I'm literally just watching this for the sake of it. It's completely pointless. The buys were from down here. The buys aren't up here, and I'm not selling gold either. Literally just, I could be doing anything other than watching. It's a beautiful day outside. I could do anything than watching gold. Squeezing up. You know, like I said, if you want the buys on gold, you buy gold at support. You don't buy gold at resistance. And if you want sells on gold today, I'm not going to be selling gold till you get back below here anyway. So, yeah, I'm not going to do anything until then. There's no point. No point in watching this. You're not going to get any trades up here. Well, I'm not going to take any trades up here. So you may as well just, yeah, let London do its thing. See what happens for London session. And close to New York, you might get a little bit more price action. Thanks for streaming twice. So yeah, absolutely. I'm going to go take a break from the charts now. But yeah, be patient up here, guys. There's going to be no trades at 4-hour resistance. You buy at the support, not the resistance. So trade safe. You guys on Zoom, I'll talk to you guys throughout the rest of the day. But for now, close the charts. I want to go outside, do anything else other than watching this. I'll talk to you guys soon. Cheers, guys. All right, YouTube guys, I'm going to wrap up here. Gold's pushing. The buys were at the 4-hour support. Now we've gone up into resistance. There's going to be no trades up here for me. So, like I say, I'm sat here watching it for the sake of it, for the purpose of just streaming, which is just completely pointless. I'm going to go take Sammy to the beach, go do anything other than watching gold. There's a really nice buys here. 6:30 London time. If you guys didn't get the buys, that's fine. Just wait for the next setup, which is going to be in the next, like, you know, couple of hours anyway. So I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow for the last stream of potentially the year. So trade safe, guys. 2 live streams today. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.